Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm gonna talk about top 3 best upright vacuum. Starting at number 3. Kenmore Intuition 31140. The Kenmore Intuition is a sleek, stylish upright vacuum that comes with several specialized accessories for cleaning up pet hair and hard-to-reach soil. In our hands-on testing, this vacuum cleaner had very respectable cleaning and suction performance. This model is under warranty for a full year. While there are no tutorials for using the Kenmore Intuition, there is online support. You can contact Kenmore support directly via email or phone. The Kenmore Intuition costs more annually than most upright vacuums because you have to buy bags. However, this vacuum cleaner has many powerful features to get the job done. In our tests, the Intuition excelled with loose materials like cereal and kitty litter. It also has onboard housing for the specialized attachments. Check out the description for more information and latest price. Coming at number 2. Bissell PowerGlide Cordless. If you're a pet owner, the Bissell PowerGlide Upright Cordless is a vacuum to consider. This upright vacuum was one of the top performers in our pet hair removal tests. Its swiveling head and lightweight contribute to impressive maneuverability. The Bissell PowerGlide Upright Cordless Vacuum is a lightweight, maneuverable upright vacuum that does a great job of vacuuming up pet hair. It is adequate, but less effective at vacuuming up bulkier debris. Getting all the debris emptied out of the cylinder is also a problem. It is cordless and very portable and easy to store. This is a quiet machine that is a good option for pet owners. And number 1 of this list. Eureka Brush Roll Clean AS3401A. The Eureka Brush Roll Clean with Suction Seal is a lightweight upright bagless vacuum that cleans hard floors well and does a good job on carpeting too, especially when it comes to pet hair. The patented sealed system worked well in our testing, and we could clear away any messes in short order with this vacuum, removing dust, fine particles and other messes with little effort on our part. The Eureka Brush Roll Clean with Suction Seal Upright Vacuum handles overall cleaning nicely and performs especially well on hardwood floors. Its motor does get hot when it is operating. The machine is a bit difficult to move, although not remarkably so. And it would be helpful if the cord were a bit longer. However, if you own a pet, this upright bagless vacuum will keep your floors and furniture clean indeed. All of these items are available on Amazon.com. I have included all the links in the description. You can check out these links for latest price. Guys, thank you for watching. If you like this video, please hit the like button below. Share with your friends, and be sure to subscribe.